Fleet Manager account setup. Begin by going to cloud.ezlynk.com/account/signup. Create a login with the email and password of your choice. Select Proceed. Review and accept the terms of use and the privacy policy. Please check your email. Once you have confirmed your email address, select Back to Login. Insert the email address and password that you chose. Now select Login. Begin within the Fleet Manager option. Press Access Now. The starting guide will include the steps that complete the Fleet Manager account. Each step notates an icon in the main menu that will be selected. Here is your starting guide. Here is your main menu with the icons that will be used. To begin step 1, you will select Settings, Fleet Manager App Information. Please fill out the information regarding your account. Once you have filled out your account information, select Submit. Step 2. Select the Manage Employees option in the Settings submenu to invite your employees who will be able to manage the system. Select Settings, Manage Employee. On the right-hand side, you will select Invite Employee. Complete their name and email information, then press Send Invitation. The employee will receive an email from support@EZLYNK.com, which will walk them through registration. The employee will verify their information and then review and accept the terms of use and the privacy policy. That will complete the employee steps. Step 3. Invite drivers by selecting the driver's icon in the main menu. If the company is owner-operator, the Fleet Manager will also need to create themselves as a driver. Select Invite Driver, include the information that was needed, then select Send Invitation. Once you send the invitation, you will see the driver's email and the status is pending. The employee will receive an email from support@EZLYNK.com. This will walk them through registration. The driver will select Complete Registration. The driver will complete the information and then press Submit. The driver will then receive confirmation their registration is complete. They will be able to download the ELD apps at this time. The Fleet Manager will now see the driver's name and that the status is active. Return to the starting guide for Step 4. Step 4. Add vehicles by selecting the vehicle's icon in the main menu. Select Add Vehicle on the right-hand side. Enter the information that is needed on the vehicle, then select Done. Step 5. We will now finish by selecting the EZLYNK ELD subscription icon. This is the money icon in the main menu. Press Subscribe on the right-hand side. Specify the subscription plans that are needed for your business. You will now add the serial number to activate the plan. Select Next in the bottom right-hand corner. Please read and accept the terms of use. Review the new subscription details. It shows that we have selected the plan with the ELD, DVIR, and IFTA reporting. The summary is on the right-hand side. If this appears correct, press Next. You will then submit your password once again and confirm. You will then specify payment information. Press Confirm on the right-hand side. The Fleet Manager account is now ready. Install the auto agent in the vehicle and have the driver sign in to their EZ LYNK ELD app. Connect to the auto agent and start driving.